it's Jennifer with ActiveWall. We're here in our Martinsville, Virginia production facility where we have a 4-panel unit on our test wall today. This unit is made with thermally broken aluminum. It measures 144 inches wide by 96 inches tall. And let me show you what that can do. We categorize all of our doors looking from the inside out. So from the inside, this door has 1 panel that swings open to the left and 3 that slide to the right. So 1 left, 3 right. This is what we call a swing door. It can open independently for daily use. If you want to let in more fresh air or create a larger opening for entertaining, you can open the 2nd panel up as well. Just unlatch it and secure the panel on our standout magnets. This creates the look and feel of French doors. Let's say you have friends and family coming over and you want to enjoy indoor-outdoor living. We can open up this entire panel to accommodate that. When the party's over, it is so easy to close this system up. The panels just smoothly glide on the tracks. Pull the grab handle towards you to engage the lock. These doors are so versatile, and we build each one custom for your unique space. So see the link in our bio for a free quote because we would love to build a custom ActiveWall folding door just for you.